Welcome everybody to this video. In this video I will show you how to disable or block or turn off notifications that it's annoying sometime on your Temu. So I will show you how to do that. Let's start. You have to open your Temu app first. Go to the bottom of the screen and click on you or your profile. So go here to your settings and go to permission option, and right now you will see this page. As you see here, notification, it's allowed. I want to block notifications from Temu. What I have to do, click here, go to settings. It will take you to the settings of your device. Click on notifications here and click disallow or turn off, and that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.